What's up, everybody? Brad, Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have an LS 427 cubic inch motor going into a 53 pickup. It's going to be really sweet in that little truck there. It's our 625 model, just got done making over 625 horse and a little bit over about 550 something foot-pounds of torque. Beautiful motor. It's got the black intake, black valve covers, black block with the shiny kit on it, CVF kit on it. If you have any questions about any of our packages, do not hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help. We're here to put something together for you. Here to put some power in your ride and make some noise. 1-800-267-3940.